Hello guys, it's Kalila or Callie. Whoa, I made this too bright last night. Hold on. Let's Okay, that's good. Hello, it's Kalila or Callie. Welcome to another video. My sister's cat is here taking over because she wants cuddles this morning. But welcome to day 2 of me knitting on the korshavn sweater in just 7 days. My progress so far is something that I'm happy with because I got through this body ribbing. Twisted rib this long. Usually, you know, we have an indicator of how long things will feel because when we get through the body top down, we've already done like 20 plus inches. So doing 3 inches or 8 centimeters of ribbing is like, okay, that's nothing compared to the sea of stitches that I just did. But starting out with almost 200 stitches and doing twisted rib for 8 centimeters feels like torture, okay? But that's fine. I got halfway through the chart. Like I said, I want to finish the chart and measure it to see how long or how many times I need to repeat it for the body, which will be so great to know for when I just lost my train of thought. Yes, for when I am trying to make the length of the sweater or the body a certain length. So I think that will give me a great indicator, and I'm just very, very excited for today because I have all day to knit. Yesterday I had to go out and do some work stuff, so today I'm just at home relaxing and being able to knit all day. It's currently 8:37 a.m. so I have the entire day ahead of me. I'm wondering, like, what do I want to do? What do I want to do? Do I want to watch Criminal Minds? Do I want to watch podcasts? Like, I'm not sure what I feel like doing. Maybe I'll just relax and chill, read a book while I'm knitting. No, that's not gonna happen. Of course I could listen to audiobook, but I'm not a fan of listening. I like reading fantasy. I like reading fiction. I don't like listening to it in my ears, really. So I'll probably just catch up on some podcasts, maybe. Or maybe just dive into Criminal Minds, why not? Look at her. Hi, Onyx. You're so pretty. She's so cute. Oh gosh. I'm in Kahila's spot wearing Kahila's sweatshirt, holding the cat Kahila usually holds. Am I Kahila? No. Anyway, that's it for now. I'm gonna finish doing my little pre-filming for Instagram and TikTok and all of that, and then I'm going to dive into this project immediately. Okay, maybe at 9 a.m. because I'm gonna go eat and stuff. But I'm so excited! Alrighty guys, I have finished one chart repeat, well, like a total chart, and I measured what that chart was. First of all, look at this. Ah, so amazing. It's so cool to see how the basket weave is working up already. So I measured this entire chart. So this is the chart, and then I repeat this over and over. It is 6 centimeters, like exactly to the dot, 6 centimeters. And this body needs to be around, it says 33 centimeters. So that means I need to do the repeat about 5 times total, and then a few of the beginning rounds, and then I'll be done. So 1 is already down. That means I have 4 more to go. And honestly, what time is it right now? 11:28 a.m. Do we think that I can finish at least 4 total? So 3 more? I think it could potentially be done because this is my second day of working on a body. So there's no rush. I'm kind of on track to finishing the time I want to finish. So I'm thinking get to 3 more sets, so that will be 4 sets total. And then tomorrow, do the 5th set and then the half a set that I'll need, or the quarter of a set that I'll need to do to finish the body before I start on the yoke. Potentially. Yeah, I think that would be cool. But for now, I'm just going to work on the next set. So I'm going to move my stitch marker and put it up to the next one so I can keep track of how many sets I've done. I'm so excited. Okay. Yeah, this is good. So 1 set down, 3 more to go for my goal today. Let's get it. What'd you say?
I think I'm on row 8. She said we're gonna need a lot of late nights because we're only on row 8 and it's day 2 and we have 6 more days.
We just gotta get through the body, y'all. It only feels like this because it's the body.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
I don't know. I just feel like
Anyway, lunch break. You feel like what?
I feel like I'm like
No, dude, literally, I'm like,
I know I am.
I'm like, the bigger the needles, the slower I go. I swear, like I am
like, bro,
so slow.
I was telling Malika, I'm like, I don't like 6mm needles.
Girl,
I was like, I will do 5 below.
literally, like the store.
Exactly. Like at 6 is too big.
Yes.
I just feel unmotivated.
And then like, I feel like I have to use more muscles just to get stitches on and off my needles.
It's texture because I think I would hate it more if it was just stockinette.
Yeah, because it's like,
because
okay,
I feel
now,
the same way when I was knitting my flurry sweater. I think that's on 6mm needles. So I just don't like big nails.
Yeah. Listen, give me max 4.5. I'll deal with 5.
Max 4.
5 is good. I'll deal with 5, but like, there's something about that 4. So Malika here, she messed up on her project.
It's not my fault.
So guess what? She ran to me. First of all, doesn't this look so good? Oh my God. She ran to me. Said, help me, help me. And now I'm going to frog all the way up until here. Or I'm going to tink back all the way up until here.
What are you grabbing? That's
What is
the green one, right? That's
yeah.
my middle one.
Oh, just the middle one?
Yeah.
Oh, you knew where you stopped, where you messed up.
That's what I
Oh,
messed
okay.
exactly.
How'd you know that? Oh, you went from the beginning?
I read the pattern.
Oh.
I read my stitches.
Period. She is advanced.
I'm a beginner. That's why I'm having her tink back.
But yeah, so that's another $20 because the first $20 was when I did her Salty Days. I tinked back for Salty Days and she still hasn't paid me. So $40 is what she owes me now. In money. I don't know where I was going with that, so.
Me either.
I was like, I was not supposed to say it. But anyway, that's it for now. So I got to take a break from my project, you know what I'm saying? So that I can help her. But she will literally end for the night before she frogs back. So I need her to stay on track.
That'll be it.
And, you know, so I'm gonna go. I'm gonna do this for her. Because I'm a nice sister. Everyone say you're such a nice sister.
Advanced.
Why'd you say advanced?
Because I wasn't going to say that. She's an advanced knitter. That's why she's willing to do it for a beginner knitter.
Girl, you are not a beginner.
Cleela.
Malika.
Seriously.
She calls herself a beginner.
Because that's what I am.
Hey guys, so I just finished my second set of the chart. And you know, I said I wanted to do 4 out of the 5 that I need to do, but I think I'm just gonna do 3 tonight or today because I don't wanna, I literally set myself up to have 3 days to knit the body. Today is day 2, tomorrow is day 3. If I do 3 sets of the, I feel like I'm crooked, hold on. If I do 3 sets of the chart today, that means I just have 2 more sets tomorrow, plus a little bit of the chart. And then that is my goal met. And I am on track to finishing within the 7 days. So I'm
and
just
that's like not having any other thing to do.
Yeah.
Today was busy.
Girl, so after the clips that you guys saw of me and Malika knitting, we knitted for like 10 minutes, okay? Because before that, we spent 2 hours doing work, okay? Oh, I just wanted to knit, but whatever. So we spent 2 hours doing that when we were supposed to just chill and knitting. Things came up and we're just like, oh my god. And then after that, I filmed this knitting. We knitted for like 10 minutes and then we went and got food, came back, ate stuff, and then got back to knitting. That's like 3 hours later. So, I mean, it was a good break from knitting. I knitted for an hour just now, took a break a little bit, and then knitted for another hour. So I'm gonna take another break. I'm gonna go find something to snack on. But enough of me talking. Here is what the sweater is looking like so far.
Oh, that looks so good.
Right.
That's crazy. It looks so cool.
This is where it is.
Oh, wow.
Let me measure it actually.
Oh my gosh, seeing that on you, I'm like, okay, the sets that we're gonna do,
Girl,
like,
it's
I forgot this is
definitely
big.
right.
Like it's a 6mm needles.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so I've done. I mean, I should know it's 12 centimeters, bro. Literally, the first set was 6 centimeters. So I'm at 12 centimeters. I just measured, and it's exactly 12 centimeters. Thank you. So I have 12 out of 33 centimeters done. I expect to have another 6 centimeters done, which will give me 18 centimeters out of 30. And yeah, it's currently 8:57, so almost 9 p.m. We're probably gonna finish that movie we started last night.
Mm-hmm.
And let's be honest, it's probably gonna be the only movie that we watch. Unless we don't get through our chart, then we'll probably put on something else after that. And yeah, I'm just loving the combination of this with mohair because it doesn't even look like it has mohair in it. Like,
Right?
it's so sturdy looking. And I'm just loving the way it's basket. It looks like a basket. Oh, I'm just so excited. I'm just so excited for this. I'm so happy that this was so easy. Okay. So easy. Let me move my stitch marker here. I move it after every set so that I know how many sets I've done. Which it doesn't make sense if I don't remember what set I did before, but it doesn't matter. It helps me. I remember, so that's all that matters. I think it starts off with...
It's funny because I just have mine like this.
Nice. Yeah, I got too lazy to write it out or type it out. I was just like, I don't feel like it. So that's what I have done so far. I've knitted 12 centimeters today, I guess, or 10 probably, because I did like a little bit beforehand yesterday. So I did like 10 centimeters today, which is good, duh. Actually, that's really good. And we'll come back when I start knitting some more on this. But that's my progress. 2 days of progress so far. That's pretty good. Yeah, guys, don't ever listen to us because it's like 11 p.m.
fault though.
How is it my fault?
Because you're like, get a headache. Wee.
Yeah, I have a headache, bro. It's like, well,
Exactly.
that's like a morale now. Bro, y'all are followers. And no one told y'all to follow me to sleep.
Well, you bring up great
What time
points
is it?
about-
It is
Well, since they're over here filming too.
10:54.
About how Kalila's over here like, oh, they're going to go to sleep. So we're like,
Yeah.
I mean. So I am on the 3rd set out of 4 for my chart.
Alrighty, guys. Now for the true update. I'm going to bed because I'm tired. I have a headache and I do not feel like knitting through that. Okay, I will just maximize my time tomorrow. hopefully we will be going to a cafe maybe.
Yeah.
You guys want to go there?
No,
yet?
it's literally right
It's
there.
literally
Let's just
a
get out of it.
stone's throw away
Get
from
like
our
a
house.
lazy behind.
Right. So we'll do that so that we can have
Perfect. I can take
more
a picture in
motivation.
this sweater and like I kind of have a vision of me just standing by the waterfall and stuff, being kind of like turned where my face isn't shown, but like my hand is with my little coffee, and it's just like, you know, I'm trying to do more off guard stuff instead of like
Posing,
Yeah, I feel that. I was thinking about that the other
Trying to
day.
get my Scandinavian era. That's all they do.
For
They
real.
know how to take pictures.
Yes, bro. But yeah, so I'm tired, but that's what I got done today. And it's 14 centimeters, which, you know, last time I talked to you guys, it was 12. So I got 2 more centimeters done. No, just like total. And
Including the ribbing.
no.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's what I have of the body. And tomorrow I'm going to finish the body. No doubt about it. Okay, I do have to edit a couple videos so that I can post it while I'm knitting on this, because I need to post a video. I need to post those videos. Oh my god, I still need to film the ending of my blocking video. I literally wore the cardigan and didn't film the video. I took pictures, I took videos, TikToks, all that, and didn't film for this. I filmed my intro for day 1 of this, and I still didn't finish the vlog.
Me.
So, anyway, that's it for today. Good night.